Hey guys, so how many cups of coffee do you have a day? And what do you think it might be doing to your blood pressure? Are you having one in the morning, one in the afternoon, one in the evening, maybe a couple in between there? The average American has a little over 3 cups of coffee per day, which means there are some people having none, some people having 1, some people having 6 or 7. So how does that affect you? This is Arnold Broad and Healthy at 60 Plus. If you have any questions about this video or any of the videos on my channel, give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. If you'd rather just leave me a question, you could do that in the comments section below this video. Now let's take a look at this high blood pressure thing with coffee. So high blood pressure or hypertension affects nearly 1/3 of Americans. And that's really 1/2 of adults. When they consider Americans, they think of, everybody, but it's 1/3 of Americans are pretty much a half of adults. And nearly half of those cases are out of control. That's according to the health officials in the U.S. government. High blood pressure is a major risk factor for heart attacks and strokes, and it puts you at risk for heart disease, kidney disease, and dementia. Not to make you scared or crazy about high blood pressure, but they don't call it the silent killer for nothing. So what does caffeine do? How is that working? Caffeine from coffee, soda, energy drinks, and any place else that sneaks into your daily diet has an effect on your blood pressure. If you have high blood pressure and you're looking to lower it naturally, you may find that you can lower your blood pressure by 20 to 30 systolic points by eliminating caffeine. And systolic is the top number, those bigger numbers, 130, 140, 150, 160, whatever. 20 to 30 points by dropping it caffeine. So that's really important, something to think about, something to work into your diet. Now, I personally control my blood pressure with something called nitric oxide therapy, besides controlling my caffeine intake, besides controlling my sugar intake, besides looking at my diet. Nitric oxide therapy works wonders at reversing the damage that causes high blood pressure. Now, I have a really good video on nitric oxide therapy, and I'm leaving a link to that in the description below this video and in the comments section below this video. So once you watch it, if you have any questions about it, just give me a call or text me at 609-410-4790. If you would like to be notified of new videos that I put out, just like this video, subscribe to my channel, and you'll be in the loop. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below this video. I want to thank you for stopping by and watching this video. I kept it short, and hopefully you got something out of it. Have a great day, and here's to your good health.